This AI robot will change everything. You're about to meet the AI robot that will change everything in 2025. And no one is ready for this. This robot doesn't just follow commands, it thinks, it learns, and it adapts in real time. It's basically AI with a brain. It can walk, run, climb stairs, carry heavy objects, and even complete tasks that normally require a human. Factories, hospitals, and even homes are already testing it. But here's the crazy part. This robot can understand your voice, read your emotions, and respond like a real assistant. It's not a machine. It feels like a partner. In 2025, companies plan to use it for deliveries, emergency response, elder care, remote work support, hazardous jobs. Humans can't do safely. This could save thousands of lives, but here's the real shock. Experts say this robot could become as common as smartphones in the next 5 years. Imagine having a personal robot that helps you cook, clean, learn, work, and stay safe. This isn't science fiction anymore. The future of robots starts in 2025, and it's happening faster than anyone expected.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more documentaries about technology, innovation, and the future. Your support helps us create more amazing content every week.